Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learning Made Easy. This video I am here to present Kar Chale Hum Fida, which is a poem for grade 10 by Kaifi Azmi. I'll be explaining the meaning of this poem in English. And this poem has a speciality that this poem was taken as a song for an old movie named Hakikat, sung by Mohammad Rafi. I think most of you must be knowing it. So this poem revolves around the soldiers. It's about the soldiers and the army men, their feelings, who fight for the nation, who fight against the enemies for our nation. So let's begin the poem and its explanation. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. So these are the first two lines of the poem. Don't worry, I'm not going to sing the entire song and keep my video long. So let's begin the poem lines and its explanation. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. सांस थमती गई नब्ज जमती गई फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया. कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं सर हिमालय का हमने न झुकने दिया. मरते मरते रहा बांकपन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. Now this poem is written in Hindi and it's very easy to understand with the lines itself. But still there must be, my friends, my viewers who might not find it very easy to understand. So let's begin the explanation. कवि कहते हैं कि सैनिक अपने आखिरी संदेश में कह रहे हैं कि वो अपने प्राणों को देश हित के लिए न्योछावर कर रहे हैं. So here, as I said, this poem is about the sacrifice of the army men, the people who fight for the nation. Kar chale hum fida jano tan sathiyon means we are ready to sacrifice our jaan, our soul and body for whom? For the nation. Ab tumhare hawale watan sathiyon means the soldiers who have already sacrificed their life are telling to the people who remain here now. That is, they are telling to us that now we are leaving, we have sacrificed our life, now we leave the nation in your hands. Ab tumhare hawale watan, watan means our nation. We are leaving the nation in your hands. Sathiyon means us. The Kaifi Azmi is here addressing us. सांस थमती गई नब्ज जमती गई फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को ना रुकने दिया. सांस means breath. Our breath was going on being short. It was decreasing. Means they are on the verge of death. Nabz means your nerves. Jamti gai, all the blood, all are going to stop. That means they are showing that the army men or the soldiers are on the verge of death. फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को ना रुकने दिया. Still, they didn't stop their बढ़ते कदम. That is, they're saying their journey, okay, of going to fight for the nation, they didn't stop. Whatever happens to them, they didn't stop. कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं. Even if कट गए सर हमारे means even if we sacrifice our body, even if my head is cut, sar means head. Even if my head is cut, तो कुछ गम नहीं. We are not sad. सर हिमालय का हमने न झुकने दिया. Himalaya means, mountains, right? Himalaya. Here, Himalaya actually denotes the pride of our nation. Okay, Himalaya denotes the pride of India. So here the army men are saying that even if our sar means our head is being cut, we don't care. But the sar of India, that is the pride of India, Himalaya ka sar na jhukne diya. We didn't allow to, to jhukne diya means to bow down. Okay, we didn't allow our Himalaya, our pride, to be sacrificed. We sacrifice our life, but we don't sacrifice our Himalaya. That is the pride of our nation. मरते मरते रहा बांकपन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. Here, बांकपन means bahaduri, our brave, okay, bravery. So they're saying मरते मरते, we were going to die, but we didn't leave our bravery. We fought bravely. We fought bravely till the end of our life. Ab tumhare hawale watan sathiyon. Now the watan, now our nation is in your hands. Okay, we are leaving now. Next, you are the ones who have to take care of the nation. Let's see the explanation. कवि कहते हैं कि सैनिक अपने आखिरी संदेश में कह रहे हैं कि वो अपने प्राणों को देश हित के लिए न्योछावर कर रहे हैं. अब ये देश हम जाते जाते आप देशवासियों को सौंप रहे हैं. So here कवि is saying that Sainik means all the soldiers. They say that when their pran, their life is leaving, they are saying that we have Nyochavar, we have sacrificed our life. Ab ye desh, that is now our country is in your hands, Deshvasiyon, that is the people of the nation, citizens of the nation. Now this nation, we are leaving it in your hands. We are leaving this nation, sacrificing our life. Now it's in your hands. सैनिक उस दृश्य का वर्णन कर रहे हैं जब दुश्मनों ने देश पर हमला किया था. हियर सैनिक उस दृश्य का वर्णन मीन्स सैनिक soldiers are explaining. दृश्य means that day, those days, okay, those days का वर्णन, explaining those days when there was a war happening or another country was attacking our country, and that is when दुश्मनों means enemies, they were attacking us. हमला कर रहे थे, they were attacking us. So that is the दृश्य, that is a picture which सैनिक is explaining here. सैनिक कहते हैं कि जब हमारी सांसें हमारा साथ नहीं दे रही थी और हमारी नाड़ियों में खून जमता जा रहा, फिर भी हमने अपने बढ़ते कदमों को जारी रखा, अर्थात दुश्मनों को पीछे धकेलते गए. So here, as I had explained in the earlier lines, that सैनिक कहते हैं, soldiers are saying that we were losing our life, our breath was getting short, our nerves were getting freezed, but still we didn't stop the journey of sacrificing our life for the nation, of fighting for our nation. Okay? सैनिक गर्व से कहते हैं कि हमें अपने सर भी कटवाने पड़े तो हम खुशी खुशी कटवा देंगे, पर हमारे गौरव के प्रतीक हिमालय को नहीं झुकने देंगे, अर्थात हिमालय पर दुश्मनों के कदम नहीं पड़ने देंगे. So here Sainik is saying, soldiers are saying that even if our heads get cut, we will khushi, happily we are ready to sacrifice our head, but we will never allow Himalaya par dushmanon ka kadam, means on Himalaya, dushmanon ka, enemies ke kadam. We will never allow the footsteps of dushman, of enemies to come on our pride, Himalaya. हम मरते दम तक वीरता के साथ दुश्मनों का मुकाबला करते रहें. अब इस देश की रक्षा का भार आप देशवासियों को सौंप रहे हैं. Till our death, सैनिक is saying, soldiers are saying, till our death, we were the ones who protected our country, who sacrificed our life for that. Now we give this. सौंप देना means we give this to you. You देशवासियों, you are the ones who have to take care of our nation. Let's move on to the next para. जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत है मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं. रुत means again a मौसम, climate. So जिंदा रहने के मौसम. To be alive, we have many. मौसम here actually denotes chances. Okay? To be alive, we have many chances in our life. But to sacrifice our life for something, we don't get that chances again and again. That is what is being said in these lines. हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुस्वा करे वो जवानी जो खून में नहाती नहीं. So they are saying हुस्न और इश्क means all kind of your teenage and the love you have in those age. When you are young, you have all those kind of feelings, worldly feelings. So here Sainik is saying you just sacrifice them. Okay, means you don't have to, don't take care of them, but take care of these things, of protecting your nation by sacrificing your life. खून में नहाती नहीं. खून means blood. Sacrifice your blood, sacrifice your life for protecting the nation instead of wasting your time in doing all those worldly activities of ishq and all, of love and all. Here they are saying do something that is productive for the nation. आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन means our country, you have to take care of it as a dulhan. Dulhan means bride. Today our country is a bride, of which in case of a marriage, a bride is taken care a lot on that day. It's a special day for her. So here Kaifi Azmi is showing our country as a dulhan, which is sitting there, and we are the ones, we Deshvasiyon, we the countrymen are the people who have to protect our nation, thinking it as a dulhan. Let's see the explanation. सैनिक कहते हैं कि हमारे पूर्व जीवन में हमें जिंदा रहने के कई अवसर मिलते हैं, लेकिन देश के लिए प्राण न्योछावर करने की खुशी कभी कभी किसी किसी को ही मिल पाती है. अर्थात सैनिक देश पर मर मिटने का एक भी मौका नहीं खोना चाहता. So as I said, पूरे जीवन में, in our entire lifetime, we get lots of time to just waste our time on worldly things, but we don't get time to sacrifice our life for something like this. Sacrifice our life to protect the nation. This is a viewpoint of a soldier. Okay, so for a soldier, this is what that matters actually. Instead of wasting our time just like any other person, this is what they want to do. Okay, they don't want to, एक भी मौका नहीं खोना चाहता. They don't want to leave any chance, मौका means chance, of protecting our nation. सैनिक देश के नौजवानों को प्रेरित करते हुए कहते हैं कि सुंदरता और प्रेम का त्याग करना सीखो, क्योंकि वो सुंदरता और प्रेम ही क्या, जवानी ही क्या, जो देश के लिए अपना खून न बहा सके. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू सैनिक, अकॉर्डिंग टू सोल्जर्स, दे आर सेइंग व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ सच अ काइंड ऑफ teenage where you are not there to sacrifice your life for the nation. Okay, what is the use of such kind of sundarta, of such kind of your beauty and teenage? If it is not for doing such a thing, then it is of no use according to soldiers. सैनिक देश की धरती को दुल्हन की तरह मानते हैं और कहते हैं कि जिस तरह दुल्हन को स्वयंवर में मीन्स मैरिज हासिल करने के लिए राजा किसी भी मुश्किल को पार कर जाते थे, उसी तरह तुम भी अपनी इस दुल्हन को दुश्मनों से बचाकर रखना. सो हियर द पोएट इज सेइंग दैट जस्ट लाइक इन ऑर्डर टू गेट द ब्राइड ग्रूम फाइट्स एनीथिंग, राइट, इन ऑर्डर टू हासिल करने के लिए, इन ऑर्डर टू गेट दैट ब्राइड, द ब्राइड ग्रूम इज रेडी टू गो टू एनी एक्सटेंट. सेम वे think our nation to be the bride and you should go to any extent to protect it. क्योंकि अब हम देश की रक्षा का दायित्व, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप देशवासियों पर छोड़कर जा रहे हैं. So soldiers are saying now we are leaving, giving you the responsibility of taking care of our nation. Let's move on to the last stanza. राह कुर्बानियों की ना वीरान हो, तुम सजाते ही रहना नए काफिले. Kurbani means sacrifice, so Rah means way. So the way of sacrifices should never be Viran, means a sunsan area which is very silent, there is nothing over there, a khali area, okay, an empty area. So the path of sacrifice should not be empty. तुम सजाते ही रहना नए काफिले. You have to keep on sajana नए काफिला means actually a caravan, okay, a group. You see a group of armies, or can also be said here as kafila. So you have to keep on, if a group of army is dying, if they have sacrificed, a next group of army should be ready. That is what here it means. फतेह का जश्न इस जश्न के बाद है, जिंदगी मौत से मिल रही है गले. फतेह means winning. Okay, winning means here actually winning against the enemies. Even if you sacrifice your life, it is a winning only if you have protected your nation. Ka jashn means celebration of winning. This actually comes after when you die. Even if you die, there is a celebration according to soldiers. Zindagi maut se mil rahi hai gale means zindagi means life and maut means death. Life and maut is as if death is as if they are mil rahi hai gale. They are hugging each other because you are on the verge of it. Okay. बांध लो अपने सर से कफन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. बांध लो अपने सर से कफन means turban. So you be ready. बांध लो means to tie a turban on your head. So here soldiers are saying once we pass away, you are the ones who have to tie the turban on your head. You have to be ready to sacrifice yourself for the nation. Let's go into the explanation of this last stanza. सैनिक कहते हैं कि हम तो देश के लिए बलिदान दे रहे हैं, परंतु हमारे बाद भी ये सिलसिला चलते रहना चाहिए. That is, soldiers are saying we are already sacrificing our life, but after us also the silsila means it has to continue. The next person has to come, next group of army should come to sacrifice and protect the nation. जब भी जरूरत हो तो इसी तरह देश की रक्षा के लिए एकजुट होकर आगे आना चाहिए. जीत की खुशी तो देश पर प्राण न्यौछावर करने की खुशी के बाद दुगनी हो जाती है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू कैफी आजमी, जीत की खुशी, दैट इज द हैप्पीनेस ऑफ विनिंग, एक्चुअली कम्स आफ्टर यू सैक्रिफाइस योर लाइफ. उस स्थिति में ऐसा लगता है मानो जिंदगी मौत से गले मिल रही है. अब ये देश आपकी देशवासियों को सौंप रहे हैं. अब आप अपने सर पर मौत की चुनरी बांध लो, अर्थात अब आप देश की रक्षा के लिए तैयार हो जाओ. As I said, now you have to tie the turban on your head so that you take care of the nation. Sorry, that was not the last stanza. Let's move on to the next one. खींच दो अपने खूं से जमीन पर लकीर, इस तरफ आने पाए ना रावण कोई. So here Kaifi Azmi is saying खींच दो अपने खून से जमीन पर लकीर. Zameen means land, lakir means draw a border with your खून. Okay, you create a border between your enemy and your nation with your sacrifice, the blood of your sacrifice. इस तरफ आने पाए ना रावण कोई. Ravan means the enemy. Here Ravan means enemy. You shouldn't allow any enemy to come इस तरफ, to come on our side. तोड़ दो हाथ अगर हाथ उठने लगे, छू न पाए सीता का दामन कोई. If anyone comes and tries to attack, okay, anyone has lifts its hand in order to attack our nation, तोड़ दो हाथ means just break their hands. छू न पाए सीता का दामन कोई. Here Sita is our nation. Nobody should be able to even touch our nation. राम भी तुम ही लक्ष्मण साथियों. अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. So, as you know, Ram and the Lakshman are the people who actually saves Sita. So here Sita is our nation and you are the Ram. Okay, Kathy Azmi is saying to the Deshwasiyon that now we are the Ram and we are Lakshman who has to save the nation. Let's see its explanation. सैनिक कहते हैं कि अपने खून से लक्ष्मण रेखा के समान एक रेखा तुम भी खींच लो और ये तय कर लो कि उस रेखा को पार करके कोई रावण रूपी दुश्मन इस पार ना आ पाए. As I said, with the blood of your sacrifice, draw a border and you shall make sure that no Ravan comes to our nation. सैनिक अपने देश की धरती को सीता के आंचल की तरह मानते हैं और कहते हैं कि अगर कोई हाथ आंचल को छूने के लिए आगे बढ़े तो उसे तोड़ दो. And they are saying that now we are our nation is Sita and if anyone comes to attack you have to break their hands. अपने वतन की रक्षा के लिए तुम ही राम हो और तुम ही लक्ष्मण हो. अब इस देश की रक्षा का दायित्व means responsibility तुम पर है. Now we are the Ram, we are the Lakshman. Those who have sacrificed have already gone. Now they have left the nation in our hands and we are supposed to be Ram and Lakshman and save Sita Rupi nation. Okay, I hope this was clear. It's a very easy poem and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.